What is going on, guys? This is again Shreks from Smartherd. If you remember, in tutorial number 27 and 28, I created two classes, class in module.rb, trick.rb. In both the Ruby file, I showed you the example of modules, class in a module in class in module.rb. Similarly, in trick also, we wrote some module name module trick, then module moral. Now, let us create another Ruby file. Let's say file. Now let's see the example of require example.rb. Fine, let's finish it. Now here we go. We have created a require example.rb Ruby file. Now in order to include class in module.rb and trick.rb inside the require example.rb, what syntax we usually follow? We just have to write dollar, first provide the path, all in caps, load underscore path, then this symbol, then with this single quotes dot operator. Now to include the class in module.rb and trick.rb, we have to write require, then within the double quotes class in module.rb. Similarly, for this trick.rb also we have to write require trick.rb. Now let's save it. Earlier in class in module we were getting output like this. Test class object created, it is a user defined method, and in trick we were getting output like this. Let's execute it and let me show you. Yeah, we were getting output like this 3.1416.0.0. You are just bad. Now let's check it out. If we execute require example.rb, we are getting the same output or not. Let's save it and execute it. Let's check it out. Yeah, here we go. These two statements are the output of class in module.rb. Now rest of the three statements are the output of trick.rb. So in this way we can reuse the two Ruby files, these two Ruby files in this third Ruby file. Now let me show you one more thing, guys. Let's now cut this statement, my object equal to blah 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 whatever. We are just having the module 2 in this class in module.rb. Let's cut that two statements and paste it here. Control V. Now similarly in trick.rb, let's leave this module trick here, then module moral here. Now let's just cut these three statements, output statements. Control X, and then here Control V. So now let's save it and execute it. Here we go. The output didn't change just because these two statements are accessing class in module.rb, and we are getting the two outputs like this here, and these three statements are accessing trick.rb file through this require statement. So with the help of these three statements we are getting the output like this. Now what if we don't want to write this statement $load underscore part blah blah blah. Now let's just say require underscore relative, and similarly here require underscore relative. Let's save it and execute it. Yes, here we go. The output didn't change. This require underscore relative and what syntax we were using before, both the syntaxes will look for these two RB files in this first Ruby project directory. So these two files are present under the first Ruby project folder. So this is all for this tutorial, guys. Hope the things are more clear with the use of codes in Aptana Studio. Catch you guys in the next tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.